Others have given various titles to La ilaha illallah, and the most common is kalmatul ikhlas. It's also called kalma tawheed, the word of monotheism. It's also called as kalma of monotheism, kalma of God consciousness, kalma taqwa. It's also called as affirmation, firm affirmation. It's also called as ash-shahada, that is the declaration of faith. But the most common is kalmatul ikhlas. And today we'll mainly discuss on this topic, why is la ilaha illallah called as kalmatul ikhlas. As I mentioned, that this sentence has got two parts. One is negation. It starts with negation and ends with affirmation. La ilaha, there's absolutely no object worthy of worship, obedience, or protection, or love, fear, hope. Negation. Then affirmation. Illah, Allah, except Allah. You find this in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 256. The same. Negation followed with affirmation. This verse of the Quran is after the famous verse of Ayat al-Kursi. Surah Baqarah chapter 2, verse 255. After this is verse number 256 of Surah Baqarah chapter number 2, which says, La ikraha fid deen. There is no compulsion in religion. Truth stands out clear from error. Then Allah says, whosoever rejects the Taghut, whosoever rejects the false deity, the evil, and believes in Allah. So first is negation. You reject the Taghut. You reject the false deity. You reject the evil. Same like La ilaha. And believe in Allah. Then affirmation. You have grasped the stronghold which never breaks. So Allah is saying, whosoever rejects the Taghut, the false deity, the evil, and believes in Allah, he has held the strong held. Therefore it's called kalma urut, that the kalma of stronghold, the hand that never breaks.